Imagine a world where AI doesn't just generate videos, it directs them.
The fog hides more than it reveals. Every shadow tells a story.
Where AI tools merge into one cinematic engine. Every detail, every motion, like a human directed it.
We don't have much time.
Then we move now. They won't escape me.
Seamless shots, intentional camera, no trial and error. Let's be clear, Kling 3.0 is not released yet. But when you look at what Kling has shipped recently, a clear pattern emerges. These aren't random updates, they're components of a single unified video system. Why Kling 3.0 is different? Let's figure out. It has unified video architecture, longer stable sequences. Earlier AI tools were fragmented. Generate here, fix there, stitch everything manually. Kling 3.0 appears to collapse generation, motion, continuity, and reconfinement into one workflow, longer, stable. Creators aren't asking for prettier frames, they're asking for time. Time for stories to breathe.
The city breathes in its sleep.
Let's see what the creators expect from Kling 3.0. Expectations are solely based on public signals and community analysis. We are expected to have native 4K, higher frame rates, not upscaling, real generation. Imagine changing one object without generating the entire video. This is where most AI fail. Kling 3.0 is expected to push realism where it matters most. This isn't clip generation anymore. This is cinematic sequencing. Kling 3.0 isn't about flashy demos, it's about reliability.
AI gives me the studio power to build worlds alone. Every frame I make is my vision amplified.
This is how AI videos move from experiment to production. Kling 3.0 isn't officially here yet, but everything points to a major shift in AI generation.
Immediately, the camera moves forward slowly and steadily with smooth motion and precise framing.
You can check out their plans. They have individual and team plans as well as monthly and annual plans. You can choose the one that suits you. Make sure that you subscribe to it before the Kling 3 arrives. They have basic, pro, ultimate and creative plan.